on how to change Facebook profile to digital creator. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to change Facebook profile to digital creator. So first is you have to go to your Play Store and then go to that application, to your Facebook application. So you have to search here your Facebook and check if it's updated. As you can see here, if you'll see an update button, you click on that and wait for it to be updated. And now, if it's updated, we can now go to the Facebook application. So let's go to Facebook and it will lead you here to your basically your home page. And then what you have to do is on your upper right, you will see the three dash lines there. Click on that and then go all the way down until you see the help and support. Click on that and click on help center. Now here you could see this, it will be set up just like this, and then just search digital creator. Now it will actually give you these choices, and what you want to do is to find the access creator support from Facebook. This one, you click on that and then you will see the digital creator, or how you could change your Facebook profile to digital creator. Now, as you can see, this feature is not available to some people right now, just like me here. So if it's not available to you, then you can go here. Was this helpful? Then just tap in yes, and then if it's no, then you can tap in no and then report a problem. Why is it not helpful enough? And basically Facebook will actually help you solve that problem. So that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.